to do the laundry.
Haha, you stink.
You like to do the laundry, wouldn't you?
You can't make anything work. Haha.
That's because I never done this before.
No, you don't there.
No, man, I did before I'm banned.
Gonna be my special spring cleaning helper. That sounds nice, Mom. But I still don't see a couple of slime things that were together. There you go now, Bobby. This'll make you feel all ready to help me with spring cleaning now, won't it?
You can't make it hit the roof. Or I mean the ceiling. You gotta let off on the gas a little bit once it gets that high. And then use the other one to steer it.
Oh, I love spring cleaning. It's a great time to get rid of all your old junk, don't you know?
Why don't you quit coming on the bed and just stay on the floor, dork?
Oh, that's fine, they're old junk. That way they have more room for their new junk.